Alright everyone, welcome back. For those of you who are coming back, thanks. And anyone who's new, welcome to my episode series here on the garage. Table, stand, shelf. Anyways, if you're not familiar with my style of video, it's basically unedited, uncut, first-person view. So you'll see everything how I'm seeing everything for the very first time. So in this episode here, as you see, I've done my table here. This should be an old door, and you probably can't see it, but I've hinged the door to this 2x4 here, and then basically just screwed it to the 2x4 here that's open wall. And so now that gives me a great backstop, and so now I'm going to try to attempt to start making my little tool shelf here. One of the things I wanted to do was, I got this very nice screwdriver set here, which I don't use unless I need to, because I don't want to strip out the tips, So of course I use the freebie screwdrivers, which is right here, and that's what I use most of the time if I want to do my general purpose use. But so some of the things I'm thinking about doing is I'm not going to do a pegboard, because I really don't want to buy a pegboard, but I do want to make good use of the wall. And in this episode here, I'm just going to take see, this is my scrap piece I just grabbed. I could grab a smaller, but I think this is fine. I have lots of these, as you can tell. Look at all these plywood right here. So I got a lot of plywood here, and what I'm going to basically do is I'm not sure if I'm going to do it right here. I'm probably not, because the one issue I have is I didn't think about, but then again, that's part of the challenge. This is 32 inches from here down to my waist to basically to here, and then another 1.5. So you think about that's 33.5 inches. That's quite a bit of a reach. I have to bend over and reach it versus just standing up and just reaching for a tool. So that's kind of one reason why I don't really want all my tools up here in front of me on the table. So I think I'm most likely gonna put something like this here. And let me put you in the strap just to give you. By the way, I got a couple more 6-inch magnetic parts holder. So I've done a mod on this fly swatter, and it does work. Let me just show you here. My thing was, I thought you just had to touch the wire, but what you actually have to do is touch the wire and the mesh to create a spark. So this is the modified electric fly swatter. As you can see, I put an XX here, and what it does is, even though I turn this thing on and it goes off because I cut off the resistor, it is still hot. And I'll show you what I mean, because it will still create a spark even though it's been turned off. So I got to touch the wire and touch the mesh. There you go, and it creates a spark. So once I do that, it should have been discharged. There we go. So this is the mod that I did. Although when I took it apart, the capacitor looks like it was peeling away, but anyways, it still works, and it was free. So but what I want to do here, let me put you back in the holster. So for those of you who know what I'm talking about, this is a pass. It's not a fail. So there we go. I'll do my best to